Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to stop people from remix your Facebook Reels. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Facebook app, just like so. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top right here and take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then what you want to do here is to simply navigate to settings and privacy, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. So next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and navigate to Reels. That's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply click on here to enable this button. So once you enable this button, it simply means that nobody will be able to remix your Facebook rhymes again, and they will not be able to claim their Facebook rhymes. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop people from remix your Facebook rhymes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.